In the heart of the Swiss Alps lies a valley that feels like it leapt out of a grim fairy tale, Lauterbrunnen. It's not just a natural wonder, but a perfect symbol of pristine beauty and the harmony between nature and human life. Lauterbrunnen is a classic U-shaped glacial valley carved by ice thousands of years ago. On both sides, sheer cliffs rise over 300 meters, making you feel as though you're walking into nature's grand cathedral. The limestone bedrock allows rainwater to seep quickly, creating more than 72 waterfalls. The most famous, Staubach Falls, is the highest free-falling waterfall in Switzerland, cascading like mist into the open air. In spring, green meadows are dotted with vibrant wildflowers. In summer, alpine forests and mountain vegetation flourish, providing habitat for diverse birds and wildlife. Lauterbrunnen is not just about nature. It has inspired poetry. The poet Goethe visited and wrote Gesang der Geister über den Wassern after seeing the Staubach Falls. In Lauterbrunnen, you can hike, ski, stroll through the valley, or simply sit and watch as the sunset paints the cliffs and waterfalls in golden hues. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a testament to nature's timeless beauty, a place where humans don't dominate, but coexist in harmony with the earth. If you're searching for a place that touches the heart, not through noise, but through silence, Lauterbrunnen is the answer. Yosemite Valley, one of the most magnificent natural icons of the United States. Nestled within California's Sierra Nevada mountains, Yosemite is renowned not only for its surreal beauty, but also as a symbol of balance between rock, water, and forest. Yosemite's most iconic features are its towering granite cliffs, most notably El Capitan and Half Dome. These monoliths were shaped over millions of years by erosion, compression, and glacial sculpting. El Capitan, rising over 900 meters, is considered the ultimate challenge for elite rock climbers. In springtime, Yosemite bursts into life with waterfalls cascading from sheer cliffs. Yosemite Falls is one of the tallest in North America, with a total drop of over 730 meters. Each waterfall in the park is a majestic symphony between gravity and time. Beyond rock and water, Yosemite is a sanctuary of biodiversity. From ancient sequoia groves to alpine meadows, it is home to over 400 animal species, including black bears, mule deer, and bald eagles. Yosemite Valley's distinctive U-shape is a remnant of glaciers from the last ice age. These ancient ice rivers carved deep into the granite, shaping the valley's flat floor and steep walls we see today. Yosemite is more than just a scenic destination. It is a spiritual landmark for America. Championed by John Muir and visited by President Theodore Roosevelt, it became one of the first national parks in the world, laying the foundation for modern environmental conservation. Nestled among the majestic mountains of northwest Vietnam, Sapa Valley is a vivid natural painting where sky, forest, and humanity merge as one. More than just beautiful, Sapa is a symphony of climate, terrain, and unique indigenous culture. Sapa is situated about 1,500 meters above sea level. This altitude gives it a rare temperate climate in Vietnam with year-round mist. The Hoang Lian Sun mountain range, especially Fansipan, the roof of Indochina, forms a majestic backdrop to the valley. The Hunza Valley runs along the mountain base, with terraced rice fields flowing like waves. It is a masterpiece sculpted by the hands and minds of local people. Sapa's climate shifts clearly with the seasons. Spring flowers blooming, cool summer breezes, golden autumns, and winters blanketed in mist. Species like the Insamu pine, forest orchids, partridges, and the white-cheeked gibbon quietly thrive in the deep forest. Sapa's nature cannot be separated from its communities. The Hmong, Dao, Thai, living harmoniously with the land. Small villages, humble wooden houses, vibrant markets, and traditional festivals breathe humanity into the wilderness. Sapa is not just a travel destination, it's an ecological treasure, a cultural memory, and an endless source of inspiration for nature lovers. Come to Sapa not just to look, but to listen, to feel, and to understand. Nature is not just scenery. It's part of the soul of a nation. In the northern reaches of Pakistan, nestled within the majestic Karakoram Range, lies a place that seems to have stepped out of a fairy tale, the Hunza Valley. This is not merely a natural wonder, but a land that holds mysteries of longevity, health, and a rare peace rarely found in the modern world. The Hunza Valley lies at an altitude of around 2,500 meters above sea level, where three great mountain ranges converge: the Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush. Slow-moving glaciers, terraced fields blooming with crops, and an unusually clear blue sky all merge into a living painting of untouched nature. Hunza is not just a place to see, but a place to reflect. Here, people do not chase the speed of modern times, but slow down to feel each heartbeat of the earth and sky. Perhaps amidst a noisy and turbulent world, Hunza reminds us that happiness sometimes springs from simplicity: a sip of pure spring water, a gentle mountain breeze, and a worry-free smile.